Why did you change your mind all of a sudden? Why? What happened? Why did you change your mind? Siri, where did you go before? Siri, let me gist you, Siri. Where did you go before? Where did you go? Because it look good. Thank you. So, guys, I'm about to finish now. Once I put on call. So how are you doing, Smokey? Do you speak Wolof? Sharon, hello. Welcome, Sharon. Welcome. Thanks so much for joining the stream, Sharon. Stop nothing like that. I should stop what? I don't understand. What am I to stop? I want gossip, Mina. Who wants to gossip? I don't do gossip. I'm too beautiful to do gossip. What do you mean you want gossip? Just me, Mina. That's it. What do you mean by you want gossip? Do I look like a gossiper? Oh my God, yeah. Do I look like a gossiper to you? I don't understand. Do I look like a gossiper to you? No. Mina is Vicky Le. Hello, Vicky Le. I know you thought I'm talking to a guy. Yes, now, who are you not talking to? Is it a female that you are talking to? Is it a guy you are talking to? Is it a guy? Who are you talking to? Who? Who is the person that you are talking to? Tell me. Come. Oh, yeah, tell me. It's not a guy. You are talking to a guy now. She's a guy. What do you mean, Emmanuel? What do you mean? Sometimes I would think Emmanuel like me, and at times it would be like I don't understand you. How am I a gossiper? How? Slay! Welcome back. No, it's my guys, wait. No, it's my bachelor friend, a girl. We miss you. Slay, you ran away yesterday. You ran away yesterday. Did you know that? You didn't even say bye and mean I want to leave. I'm going to school, or I'm going to I don't know. Maybe you are going to. Maybe you went to your boyfriend's place. You can't even say goodbye before you left the stream. Why? Who does that, Slay? Who does that? No, you don't do that next time. Don't do that next time. Okay? Is Smokey still here? Period. Guys. See, you know what happened? I think I've realized what happened now. Like, what happened? Well, nothing spoiled. That is life. Human change. And it's okay. Let's use this. It's too much. It has entered my nose. Yeah, you didn't enter my nose? Okay. So, when are you going to do the River Niger? Maybe